Hi, this is Marcia, and today we're talking about some online resources that you can use to help support the ELL students. Hi, everybody. Thank you so much for joining. Today we're going to be taking a deeper dive into online resources that can help support and enhance the learning for all students, but especially focusing in on the ELL student population. What you see on the screen is an actual bit.ly link, a website link, and a QR code. You can find all of these videos, descriptions of the tools to differentiate. As we go through these videos, we're going to be looking at a total of 5 different online resources that are great for differentiating instruction for all students, but we're going to really focus in on that ELL population. The first tool that we're going to take a look at is called Napkin. That's right, Napkin.ai. And I just showcased this to a group of high school teachers yesterday, and they could not get enough of it. They love how easy it is. It is free, and you can either search for text or you can go in and copy and paste text in there. Love it. But what's great about Napkin is that it allows you to add in visuals to the content that you're going to have the students learning. So what I did was I just went in and I searched for, since the California fires are going on right now, I'm like, oh, let's come up with an article talking about the California fires. And when I do that, I have the ability, watch where my cursor is, those little icons come up next to it. So remember, as we're working with the ELL population, visuals are really key. So this website gives us graphics, visuals, and you can even add text to your activities that you want the students to do. So what I'm doing now is it's talking about the fires in California and the cause and effects of the fires. So I'm looking for a graphic that goes along with it. So once I find a design that I like, I click on it and then it automatically adds it to the article that they are going to be reading. Now remember I talked about small group instruction? Well, I also like to use these visuals in my small group as well. So maybe they read the article independently with the graphics in it. Then when they come to my small group, I have those visual representations as well, and we can break down that content. So again, simple, easy, you just click the paragraph, it populates sample graphics. So here's one talking about firefighters and what they have to wear in order to be ready for the fire. And I just love the fact that I can quickly go in, have a visual, and now I'm adding in text to go along with it. So when I was creating this article for the students to read, I actually did it with figurative language. So I'm like, create an article using key figurative language elements for the students when they're reading. So that's what I typed into the search box inside of Napkin. And then it came up with this amazing paragraphs talking about the fire, but using a lot of symbolism. So I actually am going to have the students, while they're reading it, look for those key words, such as, what does it mean for the battle cry? What does it mean for the modern day night? When I'm done adding visuals, text to my content, I can download this as a PDF, or I can send the link to Google Classroom, or I can actually send it to Schoology, depending on which one you are using. Give Napkin a try. It is a great resource. It is one of my top favorites right now, and every time I show a high school, middle school, or elementary teacher this resource, they instantly fall in love with it.